Talk about the stocks which are in news as well this morning. Pranay is here to list out the same. Pranay?
Well, Aisha, the first stock to keep an eye on will be Tata Power, as the company is planning to sell some of its investments and raise equity to reduce the debt. The company has been unable to actually pass on the rising cost of power tariff at its flagship Mundra plant to the customers, and the fact that the expensive imported coal as well as the below cost power tariffs and the weak rupee is clearly hurting its earnings, and that is why Tata Power is planning to sell some of its investments where it holds a stake in sister companies such as Tata Communications, which is nearly about 4.7%, as well as Tata Teleservices, where it holds about 8%, as well as in other companies such as TCS. Also, last month global ratings major Standard & Poor had lowered the company's long-term credit rating to B+ due to the weak cash flows, and it had also said that it could even lower the rating going forward if the company were to experience any difficulty in refinancing its debt or in further tightening of liquidity. So keep an eye out on this one. Also, Welspun Corp will be in focus as the company has received the approval from the shareholders as well as the creditors for the demerger of its units, as the company is planning to focus on the plates and the pipes business, and the other business will be demerged into the Welspun Enterprises, which will basically be running the steel, infra, oil and exploration as well as the energy business. Apart from that, there was Gujarat Pipavav Port, which came out with its third quarterly earnings of this calendar year post the market hours, and it was a healthy set of earnings with the net sales jumped by 36%, largely due to the 30% revenue growth seen coming from the container volumes as well as the bulk cargo mix. Also, the EBITDA margin expanded by 13% year on year, which came in at 52% versus 39%. This is because of the currency tailwind, because more than 70% of its revenues are recognized in dollar, and that is why the realizations have been rather high. So on the back of this, the PAT2 jumped up more than 5 times year on year to come in at 44 crore rupees, which was also boosted by other income and lower costs.